Which state? Kerala. So we are gathering here to celebrate Onam today. What is the meaning of Onam? Do you know that? Why we are celebrating Onam? It is the festival of Kerala, like our Pongal. This festival is celebrated in Kerala. Not only Kerala, nowadays it means to all over India. Okay, all the states are celebrating Onam because do you know the King Mahabali? The day is why we are celebrating means we are welcoming the King Mahabali. We are welcoming the King Mahabali. That day only celebrated as Onam. Okay, the Mahabali was the king, one of the king who ruled in Kerala. Okay, understand? He is the king of three lokas. What are the three lokas? What are the three lokas? Heaven, earth, and underworld. Badala logam solrom illaya, that is underworld. So he was the king of three lokas. In his period, in his ruled it, that period is called as golden age. That period is called as golden age because there is no lies. In his period of ruling there is no lies, no thief, no crime, no jealousy, and what is the other thing? What is the other thing? No corruption and all. Okay, so all the people were happy and they were all enjoyed during that period. Understand? So it is like called as Ramayana. Like the Ramar also ruled our country. No, that time how the world, how the people felt like that. During Mahabali's ruled also, all the people were happy and all the people were with prosperous only, happy and prosperous. So this day, he gave 4 values. The King Mahabali gave 4 values. What are the 4 values? We should be in equal. First rule is equality. What he teaches? Equality, unity, charity, humility, and loyalty. What are the things he teaches? What are the values he teaches? Equality, unity, charity, humility, and loyalty. What is unity? Equality. All people were equal. Equality means all people were equal. Today we are going to make one Pookalam. In that Pookalam all flowers are equal, right? Flowers are all equal, right? Do you know that? If we make Rangoli by using the flower means that flowers, all flowers are equal only, right? Like that we are all equal. Okay? And unity. We should be gathered. All the time we should be gathered. We should not fight. So that we should maintain unity. And then charity. What is the meaning of charity? Charity means sharing the food and good characters and friendship and caring to others. That is called charity. And humility. We have to be a human being with others. We have to show our kindness, everything to others. So we should show the humility. Finally, he valued that loyalty. What is the meaning of loyalty? All the time we should be truthful to everyone. Okay? All the time we should be truthful to everyone. What are the words we are speaking? We have to follow that word. If you say one word means you have to follow the word. Okay? You should not come back from your words. Understand? So these are the 5 values Lord King Mahabali gave us. And King Mahabali is the king for 3 lokas, I said. Okay? So one day he prepared one yagam. One day he prepared one yagam. On that day Lord Vishnu came as like Vamana. Do you know Vamana, the small boy? He came to that yagam and he wants to check Mahabali's ruler. Okay, so he asked to King Mahabali, what do you want? King Mahabali asked to Vamana, what do you want? He asked, what are the things you want? I will give you, like that. Mahabali said. His guru, Chikracharya. Do you know Chikracharya? He is one of the guru. He is the guru for Mahabali. Sukracharya warned Mahabali that he is Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu only came here as a small boy. So don't give lot of boon and all. But Mahabali said, I told him whatever he wants, I will give. But I don't get back my words. So whatever he wants, I will give, like that he said. So Vamana asked, what you will give? Okay. So Vamana said, I need 3 steps only. What Vamana asked? 3 steps only. So the first step, Mahabali said, okay. To Vamana. So for the first step, Vamana came and occupied heaven. First logam is heaven. Okay. The second step he followed, and the second step he covered earth. First step he covered heaven. Second step earth. 2 logas he fulfilled. The third step he has to keep. What is the third step? Where we can keep my third step? He asked. So that time Mahabali bowed his head. Mahabali bowed his head and he said, you can keep your third step on my head. So being a great king, he is a great king, but he was very humble and truthful. So the third step, Lord Vishnu keep it on his head only. Okay. So after that, Lord Vishnu said, hereafter he has to go to Padala Loka and he can rule there only. That time Mahabali asked one boon to Lord Vishnu. What is the meaning of boon? What is the meaning of boon? Huh? Varam, very good. So boon. He asked a boon to Lord Vishnu that in my period all people are happy, and I wanted to check whether they were doing all the time happiness and they are all sharing their happiness and all. I wanted to check. So yearly once I wanted to come and meet my people whether they are all happy or not. So suddenly Lord Vishnu gave the boon to him. So every year on this day he is coming to meet us, whether we are all happy or not. That's why we are all wearing new dress and we made a pookalam, and we are for welcoming Lord Mahabali. Not Lord Mahabali, King Mahabali. Okay. For welcoming him only we wear new dress and we made pookalam. And one more thing, Sandhya. Sandhya means what? Banana leaf, all the dishes will be shared. Okay, all the dishes will be shared, but all the dishes are equal only. Like that we are all equal. For that only we are all having lunch in the banana leaf. All the dishes will be shared in that. Okay. So like Mahabali, we have to be very loyalty and we have to be very kindness. Understand? So this day is celebrating to welcome King Mahabali. So that we are celebrating Onam. Okay. In this day we are all equal. We are all having unity and charity and loyalty. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, children.